Bang. 3 at 3. Thank you for joining me, folks. I thought I'd give you a very quick little insight into this bad news, good news market. It's been that way for a while, of course. And what we're looking at is, we missed on jobs this month of October. We just had the October jobs report, of course, on Friday, November 3rd, today. And it's good as long as it doesn't get too bad. Now, the risk is going forward that Gary Gensler and some of the other folks that influence markets could make a misstep. In Gary Gensler's case, he made a huge misstep by not approving a Bitcoin ETF. And I've just talked about that with a number of interviews in terms of it left the door open for frauds like Sam Bankman-Fried and Three Arrows AC and all that kind of stuff. But we've mainly got to focus now on the Treasury, Janet Yellen, as well as, of course, our Fed, because the Fed is the one that's going to move up rates. Janet Yellen doesn't move up rates anymore. She's not a member of the Fed. She is Treasury. She's the one that borrows. So when we're looking at information that is soft rather than hot, that is something that the Fed wants to see, that Jerome Powell and the FOMC want to see that, because they don't want us running hot. So today's jobs report was not hot. It was very tepid, let's say. So I would say 20,000 fewer jobs than expected. Yeah, that is one of the contributing factors to why we're up pretty decently today, again, on the heels of a fantastic week in the markets. So now let me dig into why you watch the show in the first place. 3 at 3. I'm going to give you the stocks that we're trading today and where we think they're going. Take a look at AX, because 10,000 December 37.50 puts changed hands for $1.25. 10,000 is a million share equivalent. That symbol again is A like alpha, X like X-ray. AX, a million puts being bought, or a million shares worth of shorts. That's noteworthy. That's why I like following those sorts of trades. Another one, Lyft, LYFT. This one, the stock's $10.38. They're buying the January 15 calls for 29 cents. 40,000 of those. That's 4 million share equivalent, because every option's for 100 shares. So that's a big trade, folks. I won't be buying something that far out of the money. Stock's trading 1030. I'm not buying something way out of the money here, but I'm buying something at the money in that case. And let's take a look at a big TLT trade, because we're all talking about interest rates as we need to. And the TLT, 40,000 November 90 calls. So this is a bet that the TLT goes up from the 88.70 level that it's at right now to at least 90 or so. But this is only 2 weeks into the future. So a pop like that in the TLT would mean a decline in interest rates. I know you know that, because as bonds go up, rates go down. Well, if this one plays out, and it's a big trade, 42,000 of these calls being bought, that's something that I think you need to be aware of. And I am certainly aware of it. And does it mean we're going to see 4.5 for an interest rate instead of 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, where we've been recently? Yes, it means that somebody put down a big bet that we could be seeing 4.5%. All right, I'm Jon Najarian. I appreciate all of you joining me. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.